This is how you change or set the greeting on your voicemail on your iPhone. Tap into the phone app. Down here in the bottom, you should see some options. The one on the far right should be voicemail. Tap on that. If you've never set up your voicemail before, there'll be a call to action with a button here to set it up. If you have set it up, it might look something like this. On the top right, there's the word greeting. Tap on that. Here we have the option to set it to default or custom. With custom, we can then press record down here, and it's going to record our voice. This is essentially our voicemail greeting, so make sure you're saying, hey, reach so-and-so and leave a message, da-da-da, and then stop when you're done. Then you can play it back to listen to it. If you like how it sounds, tap the check mark, and your voicemail greeting has changed. If you don't like how it sounds, tap record again. Record as many times as you want, and when you're happy, make sure you tap that blue check mark, otherwise it won't be saved. That's all there is to it. If you got value from this video, please like and subscribe to let me know. And then check out this video on your screen right now, which shows you how to empty the trash can on your phone. You've probably never done it, but it's got to be done, and you could get a lot of space back. So make sure you check out that video, and I'll see you there.